was out for a second. Couldn't really say anything. Why? Maybe I am. Maybe I am. Totally not. Oh shoot, is he actually? I definitely don't watch it. Don't want you to sub. Down infamous. You don't have time. Infamous. I definitely don't watch. You're definitely not. You might be in a video. Gotta promote. That's your only way to get to for ops. Nova ops. Maybe. He's so geeked, bro. He's so geeked on the camera. Nope. That's good. Thanks, man. I really appreciate it. Get that double boost. Because I'm chasing things. Okay. I'm recording. What y'all gotta say. What y'all gotta say to the viewers. I'm gonna make it seem like I'm freaking live stream or something like that. You're gonna see this anyways. Shoot, it's my dad. Alright, the hoods are watching now. The hoods are watching now. I gotta lock in. The hoods are watching now. I gotta lock in. Watching now. I gotta lock in. Okay. I mean, hey, am I right or am I right? I won't say this out loud, but you know, yeah. I'm not pulling up no weather app, bro. Locked in. I was geeked as hell. Gotta lock in. Good job, man. I told you. I told you I had to lock in. I told you. I had to lock in. Lock in. You'll see it correctly. See, I had to lock in. Taggers are nips. Mickey Munch. Who is Mickey Munch? Jerry. I was about to say it's Mickey Munch. It's Mickey Munch. Mickey Munch came to me. It's Mickey Munch. Steamboat, what are you looking at? Steamboat, Wile Coyote looking at. Actually, no, I'll go crazy. Oh shoot, that's stray. Hold on. Gotta lock in. Vah's got me. Nah, bruh. Vah's got me. Should've started. I was only holding back because it was a hut. I only held back because it was a hut. Get him! Get him! Get him! Got him. Bro, we just had a stare off. We just had a little stare off. A little stare off, bro. No. We just had a little stare off. Yes. It is out. Yes, it is out. Bro, what is that about? Not me acting like I can remember something in a day. I'm joking. Call me coming or anything way I can be like lightning. Good old. Just run, just run. I'm in the zone right now. X no. I can't touch it. We can't have it. Got it. Go. Got a whole minute left to go. The Huz got me again. The Huz got me again. They were on my ass, bruh.